Hello friends, you're watching Android Tech Solutions, and today in this video I'm going to show you how can we configure IPv4 address in Ubuntu. So now let us start. First of all, just open your terminal and type a command IP space addr. So here you can see all the details. So this is the loopback, which is 127.0.0.1, and this is my LAN card, and currently I don't have any IP address in my LAN card. So in this video I will show you two methods to configure IP. First of all, first method I'm going to show you is with the help of the command line, and the second method will be using the GUI. Okay, so using the command line, first of all we are going to configure. Okay, so here you have to run this command nmcli connection add, and you have to give connection name, and here you have to give the connection name. I will give it as ETH0, or you can give any name in the connection name. I'm just giving ETH0. You can give any name. And one more thing, here you can see the LAN card name. My LAN card name is ENS3. Your LAN card name might be different, so don't worry. You have to just configure in this method only. So connection name I have just given ETH0, and then type I will give it as Ethernet, and then you have to give interface name. So interface name, in the interface name you have to give your LAN card name. So my LAN card name is ENS3, so I'll give it as ENS3. Okay, so you have to give your LAN card name over here in the interface name, if name. Okay, then you have to give IPv4.addresses. Then you have to give your IP, the IP which you want to give. Okay, and then after giving your IP you have to give a /, and then you have to give the prefix, I mean the net mask. Then IPv4 method manual. Then you have to give connection dot auto connect space yes. So after I hit enter, here you can see and pop-up message has came, connection established. So here you can see you are now connected to ETH0, your connection name. Okay, so I'll run this command again, IPADDR. So here you can see now I have a IPv4 address. So this is my IP. Okay, previously we don't have an IP, now we have an IP. I'll just try to ping it to check our connection is configured successfully or not. So I'm getting ping also, means we have configured IPv4 address successfully. And one more thing, now if you have to modify, if you have to change the IP, then you can just do this nmcli connection modify, then the connection name. Okay, the connection name which I chose was ETH0. Okay, so here I gave my connection name as ETH0, that's why I will give here ETH0, modify ETH0, then IPv4 dot addresses, and I'll give a new IP, and then the prefix, then IPv4 dot method manual, and then connection dot auto connect space yes, and I'll just connection nmcli connection up ETH0. So now here you can see a pop-up has come, that connection established. Now I'll just run that command IPADDR again. So now here you can see my IP address has changed. Previously it was 172.251.4. now I've changed my IP address to 172.25.1.15. okay, I'll now ping this IP. So the ping is also working. So we have configured our IP address using the command line. Okay, now we will configure it using the GUI method. So at the right top, just click on the edit connections. Here you have to click on edit connections. Okay, so here you can see a connection name is appearing, which we have just created, ETH0. If you have to edit, if you have to change the IP address graphically, then you can just click on edit and then go to the IPv4 settings, and from here you can also change the connection name also. Okay, and here in the IP4 address settings, here you can see the IP address which we have given. So if you have to change, then you have to just give the new one. If you have to change, then you can change using the graphically also. Okay, now what I will do is I will configure my IP address using the GUI method. So I'll just delete this connection, and over here I will run that command again, ipaddr. So now here you can see I don't have any IP, so I'll just configure IP. Okay, so in the networks connection, just click on add. So this is the method to configure IP using the GUI method. Okay, so here you have to choose Ethernet, click on create. Now here you can give your connection name. If you want to give, then you can give. Now in the IPv4 section you have to go, and in the IPv4 section in the method you have to give manual, and now just click on add, and then you have to give your IP 25, the IP you want to give, and in the net mask you have to give your net mask. Okay, now just click on save. So here you can see that pop-up has again came, that connection established. Now I'll just click on run this command ipaddr. So here you can see I've configured an IP using the GUI method. Similarly, if you have to change the IP using the GUI, now just click on edit connection. Now choose the network which you have to change. Now just click on edit, and in the IPv4 settings, now from here you can change your IP address. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I've just configured the IPv4 address with the two methods, completely with the command line and with the GUI methods. So thank you guys for watching this video. Do like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.